Quicksand awaits unsuspecting SEOs when they start working on a website with a long history. These pits of technical site errors, littered by several generations of previous agencies, slow down and hinder SEO efforts and progress. And when you're the one tasked to clean it up, finding the quick fixes is your number one task. So you may start with a basic site audit and see several orphan pages. You've probably heard that orphan pages are bad for a site, but do not fully understand what they are and how to fix them. Orphan pages are pages that search engines may have difficulty discovering because they have no internal links from elsewhere on your website. These URLs tend to fall through the cracks because search engine crawlers can only discover pages from the sitemap file or external backlinks. Usually, orphan pages are accidental and occur for various reasons. The most common cause is not having processes for site migrations, navigation changes, site redesigns, out-of-stock products, testing, or dev pages. Orphan pages may also be intentional, as with promotional and paid advertising landing pages. Search engines have a hard time finding orphan pages because they use links to help discover new content and understand the page's significance. Google searches the web with automated programs called crawlers, looking for pages that are new or updated. If the page isn't in your sitemap and has no backlinks, Google will not find or index it. Even worse, the page cannot receive PageRank. PageRank is Google's way of understanding the significance of the page by counting the number of votes a page gets. To find orphan pages on your site, you need to compare a list of crawlable URLs with a list of URLs people are hitting on your site. This may sound quite technical, but don't be discouraged. We have broken down how to find orphan pages into 3 easy steps, using tools you're familiar with. First, find crawlable URLs using tools like Ahrefs Site Audit. Next, find URLs with hits using Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Finally, cross-reference the 2 URL sources to identify orphan pages. Marketers often make the mistake of simply adding internal links to all orphan pages across the board. Some orphan pages are intentional, like PPC landing pages, while others can just be removed, like test pages. To help solve this problem, use a decision tree to think critically about each orphan page. Decide whether no indexing, deleting, merging, consolidating, or simply adding internal links is the best fix. For example, if a page was missed during a site migration, and that page does not offer any value for visitors, deleting it is probably the best option. Orphan pages that are valuable for site visitors should be incorporated into your site's internal linking structure. Orphan pages that were intentionally not internally linked to, like landing pages for ads, should be no-indexed. Orphan pages with the same or similar content to another page should be merged. Orphan pages that offer no value for visitors and serve no other purpose should be deleted. As you can see, auditing orphan pages is time-intensive. Using Ahrefs' site audit and the orphan pages flowchart will help streamline your process.